Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this anti-aging device. This one is by JOVS. This is called the Slimax anti-aging device. So it's a galvanic device, but I'm going to show you the different modes that this one offers, all the different settings, all the different products that you can use with this. Super easy to use, but let's get into it right now and I'll show you how I personally use this device. First off, everything that comes with this JOVS package is of the highest quality. It's super impressive. The packaging is beautiful. This is the most beautiful leather case. It has this zip, so I can put everything and store everything in this case. It's gorgeous felt inside. So here's the actual device. As you can see, these are kind of like spring-loaded galvanic little pressure point needles. And then here you have the charging station, so it's completely hand-free once you charge. It has a hair comb attachment for the scalp, and then also it has this other little attachment to hold a cotton pad. So now I'm going to start and show you the first mode. So how to turn on the device, very simple. This is a very user-friendly device. You just hold that bottom button for a few seconds and then you just click it to go between the three modes. And there are 8 different settings for the level of intensity per mode. And I'm going to show you the first mode, which is EPT, and this is going to be what you think about for skincare. And the handle shifts around so that it's more comfortable to hold for the skincare mode. So the EPT mode, all you do is you put on this cotton pad that comes with the kit. I have 30 of these little cotton pads, and then what you'll do is you just put your serum on top of that cotton pad. I have their collagen serum, and you'll just do a few pumps of this and then just spread this out over the needles underneath the cotton pad. Now, it's very simple to use this device because it comes with this instruction manual that makes it very simple. I will make it easy for you and let you know. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to hold this device horizontal for 10 to 8 seconds, except on the temples, you're going to do vertical. And you don't want to repeat that more than 3 times. So each section, you only want to hold it for 8 to 10 seconds and 3 times per section max. And then I'll just go and repeat this on the other side of my face. Now the entire process for this will take 5 minutes. You can start at a lower level and then you can work your way up. There are 8 different levels of intensity. So obviously when you're first getting this, just start with level 1, level 2 and see how it goes. You can do this routine 3 to 4 times a week and build up from there if you need to. Now this product offers 3 different modes that are going to provide an immersive experience to rejuvenate the skin and promote a youthful appearance. The EPT mode that you're seeing right now utilizes continuous strong electrical pulse waves on the skin to rapidly firm and lift facial contours, resulting in tight and resilient skin. I'm going to show you how to apply this collagen mask and how you can use this also in the EPT mode. So as you can see on this mask, they make it very simple. There are instructions for how you hold this device. Again, you're going to do the same thing, 8 to 10 seconds per section. Everything's horizontal except on the temples. You're going to go vertical and you just repeat that process. The entire process is again about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to switch that handle back over and I'm going to go down to the middle mode here. The SNE mode is going to apply intermittent strong electrical pulse waves on the skin to stimulate muscle contractions, creating beautiful lines and relieving stress to invigorate the body. It's recommended to just hold for a couple seconds on each of the areas. Now I'm going to show you, while I let this collagen mask stay on my face for about 10 minutes, I'm going to move over to the MAS, which is the bottom mode, and that is the scalp care. Now this is where you're going to use that comb function head attachment. I have the plant extract soothing and rejuvenating scalp essence that you apply to the scalp before you do this method. The mass mode utilizes continuous low electrical pulse waves on the scalp to stimulate bioelectricity in delicate areas, promoting microcirculation and stimulating hair follicle activity for relaxed and healthy scalp environment. And as you can see, you just perform this Z massage technique to alleviate scalp stress. And this routine is expected to be completed within about 5 minutes. So there's a vibration at the end of each of these modes, by the way. You don't have to worry about going past that 5 minutes. Once that 10 minutes has passed for that mask, you just take off the mask and pat in the excess of the skincare, and there you have it. And after all of your sessions, you just place everything back into the charger as so. What's really great about this device is this charger actually acts as an ultraviolet disinfectant for the first minute. So you can see the purple of the first minute when you place the device back into the charger is disinfecting the device. I love this as a master esthetician. I think that is so innovative and efficient and clean. I love it. And then also you can see that it will just go into charging mode. The green light that's blinking means that it's charging, and once it's full, it will just be a solid green light. And there you have it. That is my review of this amazing device. I will answer any questions that you have that I didn't answer in this video. Just leave a comment below. I'm always here and happy to help. If you haven't yet, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel so that you can see more videos like this one. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much and have a great day.